similar to other pigging tools, with it being sent into a pipeline from a pig launcher. Once in the pipeline, PCAT's sensor arms record all changes in internal pipeline diameter, discriminating between debris, dents and other geometric features. Simultaneously, odometers are used to record where in the pipeline the debris is located. The sensors on PCAT allow data regarding internal pipeline diameter, location, temperature, differential pressure, vibration, speed and orientation to be measured. These sensors provide additional supporting data. For example, temperature changes can provide an indication of the likely type of debris present.